Hi there, welcome to the Ninja FlexFlame Getting Started series. I'm so excited to get you set up with your Ninja FlexFlame outdoor cooking system, Ninja's newest outdoor innovation. With the Ninja FlexFlame, you can grill, smoke, roast, griddle, and make perfect pizzas all under one lid. Who needs a garden full of appliances when you can just have one revolutionary outdoor cooking system that does it all? I've already assembled my Ninja FlexFlame, but if you need any guidance, check out the full assembly video we've included in this Getting Started series. The stickers on the inside of the lid and the QR code by the control panel are both helpful tools if you need to quickly reference how to ignite the system, or you can always rewatch this video. Be sure to remove all other stickers from the side tables, lid and grill grates prior to ignition. Now let's get you set up for your first cook. There are a few steps to follow before igniting the Ninja FlexFlame. First things first, you'll need a 3-pin, outdoor-rated extension lead to plug your FlexFlame into. Why, you may ask? Electricity unlocks all technology, aka cyclonic heat, IQ. Specifically, the plug powers the convection fan, smoker box, and digital controls, which ultimately give you fast cooking, smoky flavor, and temperature control. For your safety, set your grill up at least 3 feet away from your home. Now that your system is plugged in, open the cabinet doors and turn on the gas supply by fully opening the valve on a standard barbecue gas tank. Now you're ready for ignition. Push in the burner dial, turn it to ignite pilot, and hold it in for 10 seconds. You will hear a ticking noise indicating the pilot burner is igniting. Sometimes it can be tricky to tell if the pilot burner has ignited, so if you're unsure, look through the pilot burner peephole in the front right. You should be able to see a small blue flame. If ignition was unsuccessful, turn the dial to off and repeat the process. The pilot burner flames are small and can be tough to see in direct sunlight. The flames will be more visible after you select a function when your main burners turn on. Once you have successfully ignited the pilot burner, release the dial and turn counterclockwise to select one of the 4 functions: grill/pizza, 2-zone, roast/bake, or low and slow. The main burners automatically adjust based on the function you choose to give you the optimal cooking condition, which will be displayed on the control panel. For example, if I turn the dial to grill pizza, all 3 burners will be active, so the front, middle and back burner icons are all lit up on the control panel. Finally, you'll want to dial into an exact temperature degree using the temperature control dial. Since I've selected the grill/pizza function, I can set any temperature within the function's temperature range, which is between 230 and 315 degrees Celsius. Once you've successfully ignited your grill, selected a function and dialed in a temperature, allow your grill to preheat to your set temp. The lid needs to be closed for the grill to preheat. The control panel will alternate between current temperature and target temperature until the target temperature is reached. Once the grill is fully preheated, it's time to get cooking. Just like Ninja's outdoor tabletop grills, you'll have the option of adding authentic smoky flavor to your meals with just 2 scoops of pellets. Simply add the Ninja woodfire pellets to the top fill line of the smoker box, close the lid, and press woodfire flavor to begin the process.